At GenPro, we know that you want to be viewed as a leader in the fast-growing solar industry, and that means maintaining your reputation among utilities and municipalities as the project developer of choice. The problem is that too many EPCs overpromise and underdeliver, so you are uncertain about who you can trust. We believe that clean energy should be easy. We understand that you need a solar EPC who cares as much about your budget and timeline as you do. That's why we only take on projects that we are 100% sure we can execute and have a track record that has led Solar Power World to list us as a top solar installer every year since 2014. How do we do it? We start with a full project evaluation. We value engineer to your set of standards or higher. Then we execute a design and procurement strategy that will save you time and money and minimize change orders. We then guarantee the resources to construct, commission, and close out a project you will be proud of on day one and in 30 years. So, reach out to book a needs assessment call. But first, review this list of the 10 questions you should ask of any EPC. We want to help you avoid picking the wrong construction partner so that you can maintain a reputation as a solar project development leader.